Good morning. It's Monday. It's 8:40 and the big kids are still watching TV. We had a rough night, so I'm letting that go a little bit longer. The overwhelm is creeping in because it's wet and because they're now recommending we don't go to parks. Couple of problems this morning. Problem one. Okay, I lied, that's probably the only problem, but it feels insurmountable at the moment. Waking up on a Monday to a kitchen sink full of dishes is like the freaking worst. Okay, well, we can stand around complaining about it, or we can put our eyebrows on and ignore it, and then do it, I guess. Ta-da! I mean, there's a lot of other things that we could solve, like this crazy hair, but that's really neither here nor there at the moment. It is now 9:30, gotten the dog up for the day. She's living her best life since this all started happening. I don't know what to do, if you guys have advice, but this kid will not stay off the table and it's driving us all freaking bonkers. The thing that surprised me the most in the last week is how into arts and crafts kids have been. So if you saw my house tour, this is my pantry, and this shelf here has been transformed into a super simple craft shelf. Yeah, we're all still in pajamas. I don't know how long that's gonna last. This baby is killing us. He's always here. Can't have those. Do you want some yogurt? No? Okay. So I've taken a post in my favorite corner, and while they work on their first art project of the day, I'm gonna look for some workbook pages. Again, I should be doing this at night, but I literally cannot bring myself to do anything at night. That doesn't sound like sitting still. The kids are all done making their self-directed art, and we're now going to start on some paperwork, like schoolish paperwork. Not really, it's just activity paperwork. I bought these. These are the dot art markers. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them in the description box because I was seeing a bunch of worksheets in my Google searches that were made for this kind of marker. So I've gone ahead and printed off a bunch of different ones. The kids are going crazy. He's back on my freaking table. He still needs a diaper for the day. We're getting to it. It is 10:45. I am eating leftover HelloFresh because I'm starving.
The kids are starving.
And the kids are starving. I don't know how it happens, but I think if I don't feed my kids breakfast that's not cereal at 10:40, they are crazy people. So the baby is eating.
But I'm not.
But Barrett is not. I'm being yelled at a lot. It's a little bit demoralizing. Oh yeah, yes, my shirt feels very true right now. Cheers to making it to 10:57 a.m. I'm lighting my candle now because I've survived another 20 minutes of my life. And this one's my favorite. We are trying to leave the house because everyone pretty much panicked simultaneously. We're gonna go find what hopefully are some smooth rocks because I bought a rock painting kit. If you watched one of my earlier videos, I'll show it again in a minute, but that's what we're doing now. We're back. We successfully found rocks. This is the set I got on Amazon. It's called Hide and Seek Rock Painting Kit. Again, I'll link that in the description box. You excited?
100 excited.
You're 100 excited?
You can even make a penguin. Ow.
So we took a little break. Tilly napped and the baby's still napping.
Can we go on a walk when the baby is up?
Yeah. So that will be the thing we do when the baby gets up is, like Barrett just said, we will go and take a walk again to put the rocks around the neighborhood. Maybe somebody will find them and it will bring them a little bit of joy. In the meantime, guess what I get to do? Dun, dun, dun. Literally can't believe it's happening to me again. I'm a little furious about it, but I'm trying to remain calm. Guys, have I been calm?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, well, that's what happens when you're dum-dum and you start your Monday off with a full sink. And I'm still in pajamas. Because I have zero access to my bedroom. after 9:30 a.m. Because we're all doing so many dishes, I'm gonna link this down below. These are my favorite scrubby sponges. They last forever. They have a smiley face on them, which is super cute. And I was never happy with a dish cleaning product like sponge. We tried the brushes, the whole thing, until we found these. So those will be linked in my description box via Amazon. I'm sure has them. And they're so cute. Look. Alrighty, the kids have been sent outside. Thank gosh, it's finally stopped raining. It's wet out there, but whatever. And they've requested kindly, just kidding, they screamed at me, that they're hungry again. So I am cutting up an apple, and I'm basically hoping that is accepted by their Royal Highnesses. It probably won't be. So far I've been yelled at 3 more times that they're hungry and they want to come inside. So maybe I'll just eat my apples by myself. Who needs those kids? All right guys, it is 5:06 p.m. I've just about made it through my day. We just got back from, well, it started out as just dispersing and it turned into delivering because my kids are so obsessed with seeing people. They want to like run up to them and hand them the rocks, which I guess we only did like half the time. So maybe we only spread disease half the time. I don't know, however that works. My husband says he needs a few more minutes and the kids were, well, they were struggle busing. I wanted to get video on the walk, but oh my gosh, Truman was like, he was on his scooter and I had the dog and the kids. And so it wasn't a safe choice to be filming at the same time. So now the kids are watching the Cincinnati Zoo live stream from a couple days ago about penguins. So I guess it's not very live. That's how we are finishing up our day. We have to pick up something Target curbside, so that will get us out of the house and into the car. I'm not cooking tonight because I did 1,000 dishes and I hate cooking on Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays and Thursdays and Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. We have made it to 6:43 p.m. All 3 kids are either in the shower, so whatever, or about to be. The dog is eating dinner. We just ate dinner, and I think that's gonna take us out for the night. Oh, look at this though. I have a top secret crumble sugar cookie in my freezer that I sneak a bite of every time I'm stressed. It's gonna be gone really soon. Bye.